Okay, so to explain a little bit about the process. It's been a tough one for me because I'm not a huge fan of Dylan Thomas's work, which surprises me. I'm not a huge fan of his poetry. So again, as I said earlier, the short stories were my in, personally. You know, I have to try and enjoy this as well. So actually we've had 4 days of rehearsal and we've hardly touched the script at all. What we've been doing is playing. My starting points are the objects that we collected. We went down to a storage unit, having done some timelines for the characters, and kind of discussed certain conflicts of interest between each other's relationships. Then we went down to a storage unit, and all the actors and myself and the stage management actually, having had a read through, we went and we chose a series of objects that we think that the characters would have on their person, and they were the starting. That was the starting block for rehearsal. So the first day were the characters' emotional responses to those objects, and we almost mapped out the whole production, which was amazing, which was lovely, using these objects, and developed the relationship first. The language element is only going to come in next week. Of course, we're working on the script at the moment, but that's not the in. We're trying to map it out physically because of the nature of the piece. You know, we're trying to engage with year 8 and year 9. I think kids are very visual literate at the moment, so that's our in, and the language will be born from what we develop there.